Hi everyone, my name is Olatokunbo. Today I want to show you how to create an account on Easyworld. To create an account, start the app. When the app is fully loaded, click on the login button at the top right corner of the app. This will open up a login page. Click on Create New Account. This will open up Register page, where you can enter your basic information. Here I'm going to enter my first name, select your date of birth, your marital status, your email address, make sure this email address is correct, because an email verification code will be sent to this email address. Then create a new password. Make sure you go through the privacy policy. Read through it. It contains important information. When you have successfully gone through it and you are satisfied, click on the Agree button and make sure the privacy checkbox is checked. Then click on the Continue button. This will take you to the More About You page. Here you can set your profession, your position at work, and your phone number. This should be your public phone number that anyone from any part of the world can call at any time. Then click the Submit button and wait for the response. Congratulations, your account has been successfully created. Now click on the Please click here to log in button. You will now be redirected back to the login page, where you can now enter your login details. Enter your email and your password and click Login button. An email verification code will be sent to your email address. Please click on the Got It button and check your email address for the code. Once you've gotten the code from your email address, please press them in in their respective orders. After a successful login, this welcome page will be displayed. Please click on the Got It button to take you directly into Easyworld. Congratulations, you have successfully logged in to Easyworld. To confirm a successful login, please click on the menu icon on the top left corner of the app. Your basic detail will now be shown. In this case, I am Olatokunbo Bode. Thank you for using Easyworld.